Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Alex and today I will show you how to assemble this kind of lamp with port of Type-C, which you can use whenever you like by using your power bank, just to connect power bank to lamp, and you can take this lamp away with you. Enjoy! Before we continue, subscribe for our channel, press like and share with your friends. Okay, for this experiment we will need one LED busted bulb, also step up controller, which we review in one of the previous video. If you are interested, you can have a look, and one Type-C port, which I took from Disposable cigarette. Okay, now I'm going to start with dismantling this lamp bulb. Okay, then by drilling machine I make hole here for the Type-C port. Will be installed here, just from opposite side, from inside. But first of all I will solder wires for this port. Okay, now our port is connected to our step up board. Now I'm going to connect these LED plates with LEDs to make sure that everything is working, and then we can assemble everything inside our lamp bulb. Now we are ready to test. To first our test, let's just plug in Type-C. Okay, everything is working. Now we can continue with assembling. Okay, now our port already on the spot. Now I'm going to isolate this board and carefully install everything inside bulb. And final part. Okay, our bulb is ready. You can see Type-C port. I'm going to use power bank. With wire you can see that everything is clear, and connect to test. Wow, nice. Now this bulb is becoming portable. You can take away somewhere with you for picnic. Enjoy. If you have problem with electricity, you can also use your power bank and this type of lamp. Very easy to assemble and very useful. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for the channel and see you next time.